Welcome everybody. This small video is about Page Navigator in Power BI. Page Navigator allows you to toggle between the report pages. If you go to the details about it, when you select the Page Navigator option, Power BI automatically creates a Page Navigator for you. So now you are having around 5 pages, and now if you are selecting the Page Navigator, Power BI automatically will provide you 5 Page Navigators with the exact name whatever we have given here. So Page Navigator is automatically synchronized with your report pages, meaning that titles or the buttons matches the page display names. Ordering the button matches the order of your report pages. The selected button is the current page. So we will understand it. So if you go here, and here we are having the page region, and the selected button is the region page. So if you're having all these things in all the pages, the selected page will be displayed, or the selected button will be the page that will be displayed. As you add or remove pages in your report, the navigator updates automatically. So if you select a navigator, or if you insert a navigator here, and if you add a page to it, the sixth page, the navigator adds one more button to that, same like that sixth page. As you rename pages, the title of the buttons update automatically. So if you are changing this environment name to mode, the title will be changed automatically. Now we are having 3 pages here. One is the revenue with respect to the year, and here we have kept the back button. Same thing here, the region with corresponding to the revenue, and the environment with respect to the revenue. So all these 3 pages we have kept a button also here to go back from the page you came, and we will be creating the page navigator here in this page. So for that you need to go to insert, and this button down, or you have to click, and you will be seeing the navigator in the end, and you can just select the page navigator and everything will be coming here. So since we have mentioned earlier, isn't it, the selected button is the current, so this page's details and this details is seen here. So now if you are changing this region name, if you are changing it to state, and if you go back to this page navigator, you can see this region name has changed here to state. And if you are adding one more page here, you can go to the page navigator and see, okay, that page 1 is been shown here. So how it has been useful is that you can hide all these pages. I'm hiding all these 3 pages. And if you're coming here, and if you want to go to here, now it won't, of course, even though if you're hiding in the Power BI desktop, you'll be able to see, but in the Power BI service, if you're hiding all these 3 pages, only these 2 pages will be shown. And at that time, if you're selecting the year page, it will go to the year page. And if you're selecting it back, it will go to the default page. So that is one good feature for this Power BI. And here info is also there. If you go to the info, you can get the main page also. Of course, here we are not given any back button. If you want, you can select this back button and select it here, so that if you click here, you can come back to the default page. Now in this Power BI desktop, it won't be shown that much properly. For that, you have to publish the report. We will publish and see how it is working there. You can select the publish button, and of course, we are using the free Power BI service, so you can select the default My Workspace itself and select it. Now the publishing is success. You can go to the web page, and you can see, yes, now we are in the Power BI service. Here you can see we are not able to see the 3 pages. In the Power BI desktop, we had 5 pages, and all the 3 pages with the revenue, we have hidden it, and that was hidden in the Power BI desktop, but it was showing, but in the service it is not showing. But here, if you want to see the year, you can just simply click the year, and you will be seeing this page here, and you can go back to the details. Same way, if you want to see the state or region, you can do like this. Same way for the environment also, you can do it. So it will be easy, and it will be like almost like encapsulation. You won't be able to see the pages here. You won't be able to select the pages, but at the same time, you can select the pages. So earlier we used to create the button for all these pages, and whenever you hide a page, the corresponding page, you will be creating a button. Now no need of creating the button. You can simply select the page navigator, and automatically the page and the button will be added to the navigator. You see, it is an easy option to toggle between the pages. Hope this will be an interesting video. Have a nice day.